This cool video first I saw doing BendTK, so I used it in few of my videos, and today I will show you how to do it. First we're gonna do is to choose the place on the video where we wanna start our effect or transition, call it whatever you want. Okay, here it is. I'm gonna split the video and freeze frame. And gonna duplicate this part of the video 2 more times. On the first door layer, I'm gonna mask out the whole door. Going to the mask and check inverted. On the next layer, I'm gonna mask out the left side of the door, and on the next layer I'm gonna do it the right side of the door. Next step is we're gonna use this tool to move anchor point of the second and third layer of the door. This will be the point of the rotation of the door that we need to animate for this effect. Now we need to check this 2 layer as a 3D, and then using Y-axis animate the movement of the door with keyframes. Next step is to pre-compose this 3 layer. I'm gonna name it door. Press OK. And now I'm gonna animate the zoom out using the scale and position. I'm gonna set the keyframes as is, and that's it.